Namaste. I am Shashi Sarda from the Yoga Institute. Today I am going to ask you a few questions. Let me start with, when was the last time you were on a diet? When was the last time you were not on a diet? When was the last time that you were completely in the best phase of your life, where fitness was at its prime, your food was absolutely correct, your lifestyle was absolutely correct? Or when was the last time that everything went haywire? Some stress, some trigger came in and everything went out of the window. The moment you are in this space where sometimes you are in these stressful times of our life, stressful days of our life when nothing seems to go right, where work is pressured, family, relationship, everything is demanding. And in that point of time, it is very hard to keep your fitness, your diet goals into track. And there are many times when everything's going perfect, things are fine, everything is business as usual, and you feel that your fitness is at its prime, your diet, you're taking care of your food habits, you're sleeping on time, you're waking up on time. So do we realize that everything depends on how our lifestyle is, how our situations around us? If we are going through a tough time, everything gets disturbed. If we are going through a good time, everything is absolutely fine. I often hear people come and say that, oh, there's so much of pressure of work. I was a major gymmer. I used to exercise regularly. I used to do yoga regularly. But since the past few months, it's been so stressful at work that I've forgotten everything. I've stopped taking care of my food now because as I'm not going for a workout or as I'm not doing yoga, I might as well eat. I'm getting cravings. The same way, when I am completely good in my lifestyle, where everything's going perfect, for 6 months I have not had any kind of junk food, I've taken care of my diet, my lifestyle, my sleep patterns. This entire thing of oscillating between this side or that side is what generally makes us somewhere frustrated down the line. We take care of ourselves for 3 months, some trigger happens, and then we feel everything crumbling down. Again, after 3 to 6 months, when everything settles back, you want to go back to your previous lifestyle. And we keep doing this in, out, without realizing that we are actually in that same square one. What we really need to do is, we need to make all this a lifestyle. When we keep it in compartments, when we keep it in boxes in which it's a good time, let's do everything correct. It's a bad time, let's let everything go as it wants to go. This is called compartmentalizing. Let's not make diet, let's not make lifestyle a part to be done sometimes in life. It should be a lifestyle throughout. Whether you're going through a tough time or a good time, your habits of food should be clean. Whether you're going through a tough time or a good time, you should exercise daily. Once you start making these as a habit, automatically you will see that you will sway through the bad times in a much more calmer and a positive manner. Vice versa, if you do that same thing when your lifestyle is good, when things around is good, you will see that time becomes the foundation so that when you are going through tough times, it's easier to jump back. So you're not oscillating between two extremes, but you're taking care of your diet throughout. You're taking care of clean eating throughout. You're not doing it for a particular party, event, or an occasion, but you're doing it or taking care of yourself always. Many times I've seen trekkers, when they have to go for a high altitude trek, 3 months before they start planning. They start working hard, they start climbing with weight, they do high intensity exercises, they do yoga for strengthening. But after the trek, there is a complete lull. After you've finished what you want to do, you've completely gone down totally. Then you want to go back to food, you want to go back to relaxation. The same thing if we have to do, if we have to keep our fitness level to such an extent that we can go for a trek tomorrow. We don't have to plan much, and that's only possible when regularity is the key. When every day you're taking your goals of fitness towards certain level, every day you're eating right, you always have strength from inside. So it's very important to have something consistently and not do it as a diet, but do it as a lifestyle. Don't do it something for temporary reason, but do it something for permanent reason. The moment you see this trajectory going more and more normal and not going between ups and downs, you will see that you'll live a more healthier and happier life. Today, if we look back to some case studies where we've seen people at 96, 95 year olds completely happy and healthy, That's only because they've kept this trajectory very straight. They have done what they have done throughout their life, and they have not jumped and oscillated between good and bad. They have done something so much to regularity. As we say it in yoga, Nairantar Abhyas. When we do something so regularly, and wherever you reach, you're always going up and up in your life. So try and practice this not as a diet, not as a temporary fix, but as a lifestyle. Thank you. Namaste.